Let's power the transformer up. Okay, the only thing it blew is my PCB board, and the microwave transformer will start smoking soon. Yeah, it already starts smoking, and that's not good. I don't know if we can see it on video, and I'm also filming a short video now. And I don't like it shorted like this. That's not a good thing. I will try to put this wire on an LED to see it is any difference, and I will try by doing this. So here we go. Yeah, it was more impressive this time. Okay, let's look at the damage here. And by to those are watching too short, come to for video.